Hello and welcome to English for Beginners. Lesson 12. A car, a cake, a suitcase, a piano, a bottle of water, a bottle of water, a bottle of water, a cup of tea, a cup of tea, a cup of tea, a cup of tea. The car and the what? Guess. The car and the bike. The car and the bike. The suitcase and the what? Guess. The suitcase and the bag. The suitcase and the bag. The cake and the what? Guess what goes with the cake? The cake and the apple. Guess what goes with the bottle of water? Guess what goes with the bottle of water? The bottle of water and the cup of tea. Guess what goes with the piano? The piano and the radio. A dog, a computer, a pencil, an ice cream, chicken, bread. The dog and the what? Guess what goes with the dog? The ball. The dog and the ball. Guess what goes with the chicken? The bread. The chicken and the bread. Guess what goes with the book? The pencil. The book and the pencil. Guess what goes with the fridge? The ice cream. The fridge and the ice cream. Guess what goes with the computer? The phone. The computer and the phone. She hasn't got a car, only a bike. She hasn't got a cake, only an apple. She hasn't got a suitcase, only a bag. She hasn't got a piano, only a radio. She hasn't got a cup of tea, only a bottle of water. Has she got an apple? You say. Yes, she's got an apple. Has she got a car? You say. No, she hasn't got a car. Has she got a suitcase? You say. No, she hasn't got a suitcase. Has she got a cup of tea? No, she hasn't got a cup of tea. He hasn't got a dog, only a ball. He hasn't got a computer, only a phone. He hasn't got a pencil, only a book. He hasn't got chicken, only bread. He hasn't got an ice cream, only a fridge. Has he got a dog? You say. No, he hasn't got a dog. Has he got a phone? You say. Yes, he's got a phone. Has he got an ice cream? Has he got an ice cream? No, he hasn't got an ice cream. Has he got chicken? No, he hasn't got chicken. That's it for today. Thanks for coming, and see you next time. Goodbye.